It began like any other monsoon morning in Uttarakhand's Chamoli district. But soon, the skies turned dark and the earth rumbled. Then, the mountain cracked and collapsed in seconds. A horrifying landslide hit the THDC hydro project area, caught live on camera. Machines were swallowed. Workers screamed. Panic erupted. The entire hillside collapsed like a movie scene. Only this time it was real. People ran for their lives, praying not to be buried alive. Thankfully, no casualties were reported, but the fear still haunts locals. Nature doesn't knock, it storms in. This was a terrifying reminder. For more shocking real stories, subscribe to Trending Hidden Hub now.
अंदर चले गए थे नीचे ब्लॉक 5 में जो होगा उसका रिस्क होगा।